Bitcoin's volatility is coming down significantly, guys, and for sure Bitcoin is preparing or is boiling up for a massive move right here. Is that move going to be to the upside, or is that move going to be to the downside? And guys, in today's video we have some shocking data that I want to share with you, and we have a very nice pattern in Bitcoin where we are right now getting supported exactly by the middle of the pattern, the middle of the channel, which is normally important. And I'm also going to share with you a cycle, a short-term cycle that I actually found on Bitcoin, which might predict something very, very interesting right now. So guys, let's jump straight into it. Of course, if you enjoy these videos, guys, make sure to leave a thumbs up. It really helps the channel, really helps to push this video to a broader audience. And yeah, we're just doing really good if you guys leave a thumbs up, and if we can reach 100 likes, that would be just amazing, guys. So if we look at the Bitcoin structure right here, we can see that we were in the sideways channel. Also, yesterday, like we said, we have a ascending triangle. So there are basically multiple ways to draw the structure of Bitcoin right now, but it looks like an ascending triangle, which is a bullish formation. But if we have a look at this sideways range, it also looks very significant, because we have the low of the range, which is clear support. We have the top of the range, which is clear resistance at 28.6k. But the middle of the range, and this is the most important things when we have a look at channels, the middle of the channel, once that is getting respected, also it shows a lot of significance. So that middle, as you can see, is getting respected as support. We just touched it right now. And what I've basically found during this formation, guys, is that we have a 3 days and 16-hour cycle from low to low. So let me show you what I mean. We have right here from this low till this low was 3 days, 16 hours. From this low till this low was 3 days and 16 hours. From this low till this low was 3 days and 16 hours. From this low till the next low, which might be right now, 3 days and 16 hours. So this is actually quite funny to do. You know, on this channel we are often looking at these time cycles, because time is one of the most important structures to apply in your trading. And normally we look at time a little bit from a macro perspective, but right now it can also be very helpful to look at time in shorter term time frames. So is this time period going to mark a local bottom right here in Bitcoin? And are we going to go up with the price today? Maybe. Is this the only sign that is telling us this? No. Therefore, we go to whaleportal.com, of course, where we can find derivatives exchange data. What we can see is that the average funding fee, so not a separate funding fee, right, from Bybit, for example, or from BitMEX, which are actually negative, but the average funding fee, it's taking all of these most important funding fees together and calculates the average. We can see that this one is going down quite significantly. So what does that tell us? Well, basically the fact is that more and more people shorting Bitcoin. So the sentiment right here, you can see, actually is slightly changing. While Bitcoin is going into support, we actually see more and more people opening short positions, preparing for a move to the downside. But what if that move is not coming? Because I've made a poll with you guys right here over on Twitter. Actually, the beginning of the poll, more people were bearish than bullish, but now we can see clearly it is slightly indecisive, but clearly the bulls have won this one. But if we go to the YouTube channel and we have a look at that, we have a look at that poll, we can actually see, and the votes are like almost 10 times as much as we have on Twitter, that the majority of the people expecting 25,000 US dollars. And normally I would say with these data sets, right, like if it would be a very clear divergence, so there would only be 20% going for 30 and a big chunk would go for 25, I would say chances highly increased that we go to 30. Right now it's a little bit indecisive, but I do say that I think this poll also represents what we are seeing on the funding rates, because the funding rates are coming down, and a lot of people, they are just expecting Bitcoin to come to 25,000, which may not happen, but we'll have to see what is going to play out. Then if we have a look at the stablecoin dominance, we actually see a breakout to the upside right here. If the relative strength index will break out to the upside, yes, then that could be a bearish sign right here. That could show that we might have a small relief in the stablecoin dominance, which would mean Bitcoin was coming down. Right here we can already see that we have seen a breakout in the US dollar USDC token, but also that even though we have seen a breakout, the relative strength index came actually quite high, and we are still right now at resistance, which so far we haven't broke. So you could argue that this is kind of a W formation, right? So if we have a breakout to the upside from this neckline, then yes, that would actually be bearish for Bitcoin. So that would be something that I'm watching. These are the charts that I'm watching to confirm my bullish or bearish bias in the Bitcoin charts. Very important. But overall, guys, I'm going to stick with this pattern, the ascending triangle, right? If we do break to the downside from the ascending triangle, I first want to see how Bitcoin is going to react at these lows of this range, as we have been talking right here. But as long as we can hold this uptrend, I still think the chances are more likely we are breaking out to the upside. Also, we have a nice retracement on the relative strength index on the 4 hour. Like the price is going sideways, the relative strength index is coming down, and we really want to see this one breaking out sometime to create or to actually take new bullish momentum along with it once we can breaking out right here as well, because we do need definitely some momentum to get another push to the upside. Guys, if you are interested in trading this formation, I would highly suggest you to do so over on Bybit. If you join Bybit with my affiliate link down below, you can get a deposit bonus up to $30,000 and you will be able to join WhaleAlerts, which is the Telegram channel from whaleportal.com, where we are sharing extra information about altcoins, about Bitcoin, about trades. I'm also creating extra videos over in this channel with a lot of valuable content. So if you are interested in that, make sure to join Bybit with the affiliate link down below. For the ones that are living in the United States, you can also join using bitget. But for that, you need to go right here to exchanges. You got to click on bitget review, and there it will show you the link to visit bitget, which will basically bring you to the bitget website using the affiliate link from whaleportal, which makes it able for you to join WhaleAlerts. Funny thing to see, guys, right here actually is that we have the top cryptocurrency exchanges. We are adding more and more exchanges to this platform, but we are tracking the average funding fee from all of these exchanges. So this is the average funding fee from Bybit, this is the average funding fee from bitget, this is the average funding fee from phemex. So right now we can already see that the funding rates turn negative on bitget, which is actually quite interesting, because later when we have a lot of exchanges right here, we can just see per exchange directly what is the average funding fee and when the majority is positive or negative. So that's actually a very nice metric to watch. But interesting to see that bitget's funding rates are negative. This is the first time since we have this page that these funding rates from bitget are turning negative. Also interesting to point out. But okay, guys, that was it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. If so, don't leave this video without pushing that like button, guys. That is very much appreciated. Let's check if we can push this video to 100 likes and even more, so YouTube will pick up this video and bring it to as much people as possible. We need this adoption. We need this community growth, guys, especially if we really want to take off with whaleportal and we want to make it the best derivatives exchange platform that is out there, providing data to all the traders right here, making you more profitable, basically for free, giving you a better grip on the markets, us, all of us, which is the most important thing at the end of the day, right? Guys, thank you all for watching. Wish you all a great day, and I hope to see every single one of you in the next video.